In this video, we'll be seeing about the problems under partial derivatives. First problem, find du by dt if u is equal to x cube y power 4 where x is equal to t cube and y is equal to t square. Solution, you need du by dt, but u is in terms of x and y. X and y are in terms of t. So you can use dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Now you are taking partial differentiation of u with respect to x and partial differentiation of u with respect to y, because u is a function of both x and y. You are taking the total derivative for x and y because you have x and y only in terms of t. Now just find these values. What is dou u by dou x? Is equal to dou by dou x of, what is u? X cube into y power 4. Now you have to differentiate this partially with respect to x. So y power 4 will be a constant here because you are differentiating with respect to x. So y power 4 will be a constant, and x cube, if you differentiate with respect to x, you will be getting as 3x square, and y power 4 remains the same. Now what is dou u by dou y? Dou by dou y of u. Instead of u, you can put x cube y power 4. Now you have to differentiate this with respect to y. In this case, x cube will be the constant, and you have to differentiate this y power 4 with respect to y, which is 4y cube. So you'll be getting it as 4x cube y cube. Then we'll find dx by dt. What is dx by dt? D by dt of x. Instead of x, you have t cube. So d by dt of t cube, which is equal to 3t square. Next, what is dy by dt? D by dt of, instead of this y, you have t square. So t square, d by dt of t square is 2t. We have obtained all these values. Now substitute all these values in this equation. So you'll be having du by dt is equal to, instead of dou u by dou x, we have 3x square y power 4. Instead of dx by dt, we have 3t square plus, instead of dou u by dou y, we can put 4x cube y cube. Instead of dy by dt, we can put 2t. Now you can see in this step you have everything as combination of x, y and t, but you need only du by dt. It means you have to find everything only with respect to t. So just replace x and y terms in terms of t. We know what is x. X is t cube. So instead of this x square, you can put t cube t whole square. What is y power 4? T square the whole power 4 into this 3t square plus 4 into x cube. You have x cube, so t cube the whole cube instead of x cube. Y cube, you can put t square the whole cube, and this 2t remains the same. Now simplify this. you have t power 6 here. So 3 into t power 6 into t power 8 into 3 into t square plus 4 into t power 9 t power 6 into 2t, which is equal to 9. 9. You have 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So t power 16 plus 4 into 2, 8. T power 9. T power 6, t. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. T power 16, which is equal to 17 into t power 16. This is your answer. Second problem. If u is equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square, show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 2 divided by x square plus y square plus z square. Solution. You have u as log of x square plus y square plus z square. You have to find dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square and dou square u by dou z square. So everything are of second order partial derivative. For that you have to find the first order partial derivative first, then you can find second order partial derivatives from that. Now let's take dou square u by dou x square. To find this, you need dou u by dou x. So you know what is u. Now what is dou u by dou x? For that you should know the formula first. If u is equal to log x, you have dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by x. This is the formula. Now what is dou u by dou x? If u is equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square, instead of x you have x here. Similarly, instead of this term you can have this as 1 by the same term, x square plus y square plus z square. But you are doing only with respect to x. So you have to consider this term. You have the combinations of x, y and z here. Since you are doing only with respect to x, you have to differentiate this term again with respect to x. So you will be getting this as dou by dou x of the whole term, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to this 1 by x square plus y square plus z square remains as such. Now what is this? If you differentiate this term partially with respect to x, you will be having it as 2x. So you are getting 2x divided by x square plus y square plus z square for dou u by dou x. Now what is dou square u by dou x square? It means you have to differentiate dou u by dou x again with respect to x. You know what is dou u by dou x. Differentiate this term with respect to x again. So you have to consider this term. Here you have x in both the numerator as well as denominator. If you have such a term, you will be using another formula, which is d by dx of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So these are all the formulas. So you can use this formula here. So you have it as dou by dou x of, instead of dou u by dou x, we have 2x divided by x square plus y square plus z square. this is u, this is v. Now formula for this is v into u dash. So instead of v we have this term, denominator is v. So v into u dash. What is u dash? U dash is du by dx. It means you have to differentiate the numerator with respect to x. So what is differentiation of 2x with respect to x? That is what is u dash 2. Minus u into v dash. Instead of u you have 2x. And instead of v you have this, you need v dash. For that you will be differentiating this denominator with respect to x. So you will be having it as 2x again. Because this y term and z term becomes 0 when you differentiate partially with respect to x. You have only 2x from this term. The whole divided by v square. You know what is v? X square plus y square plus z square. Whole square. Now we have 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 4x square, the whole divided by x square plus y square plus z square, the whole square, which is equal to minus 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square, the whole divided by x square plus y square plus z square, the whole square. Now this is dou square u by dou x square. Now let's find dou square u by dou y square. For that you have to find dou u by dou y first. So what is dou u by dou y? Dou by dou y of log of x square plus y square plus z square, which is equal to, you know what is dou u by dou x if u is equal to log x, which is 1 by x. Similarly, log of this term, if you differentiate with respect to y, you will be having it as 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square. Similar to this, you are doing this. Now you have 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Now what is this? Partially with respect to y. Just 2y, because x and z terms are constant here since you are doing partially with respect to y. So you are getting 2y. So you can write this as 2y divided by x square plus y square plus z square. Now we need dou square u by dou y square, which is nothing but dou by dou y of dou u by dou y. Instead of dou u by dou y, we got 2y divided by x square plus y square plus z square. Now we have to differentiate this term with respect to y. You have y in both numerator and denominator, so you will be using d by dx of u by v formula. Applying that formula here, you will be having it as, in denominator you will be having v square. So you can write that first. Then in numerator you will be having v into u dash minus u into v dash. So v into u dash. U dash here is 2y with respect to y. So 2 minus u into v dash. Instead of u, you have 2y. Instead of v dash, we can consider this partially with respect to y. So you'll be getting 2y. Now we'll have 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 4y square the whole divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square, which is equal to 2x square minus 2y square plus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. We got dou square u by dou y square now. Next, we need dou square u by dou z square. For that, we will find dou u by dou z first. What is dou u by dou z? It is dou by dou z of, instead of u, we had log of 1 plus x square plus y square plus z square. So you have to differentiate this partially with respect to z. You will be having this as 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into dou by dou z of the same term, which is equal to, when you differentiate this partially with respect to z, we have 2z divided by x square plus y square plus z square. Next we need dou square u by dou z square. So we will be having it as dou by dou z of dou u by dou z, which is equal to dou by dou z of 2z divided by x square plus y square plus z square. Now we have to differentiate this term partially with respect to z. You have z in both numerator and denominator, so go for u by v method. We will be having the differentiated value as v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So for v square, you can put x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. Now in the numerator, you will be having v into u dash. So v into u dash. U dash is differentiation of 2z with respect to z. That is differentiation of u with respect to x. That is u dash. So you are having 2, if you differentiate this partially with respect to z, minus u into v dash. U into v dash, you have to differentiate this partially with respect to z. So you'll be having 2z again, because x and y will be the constants. It will become 0. So z square, when partially differentiated with respect to z, gives 2z. Now this can be written as 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 4z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square, which is equal to 2x square plus 2y square minus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. In question, it is given in the left hand side as dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square. We have found all these values. Just substitute. So instead of dou square u by dou x square, we have minus 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. dou square u by dou y square. That we found two x square minus 2y square plus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. So you have plus 2x square minus 2y square plus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. Then we found dou square u by dou z square as 2x square plus 2y square minus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. So you have 2x square plus 2y square minus 2z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. Now let's solve this. You have the denominators as the same in all the terms. So we can combine the terms with the same denominator. You have minus 2x square plus 2x square plus 2x square. It gives 2x square. Minus 2x square and 2x square gets cancelled. We will be having 2x square. Second term you have plus 2y square minus 2y square plus 2y square. So plus 2y square and minus 2y square gets cancelled. We will be having only plus 2y square. You have plus 2z square plus 2z square minus 2z square. Plus 2z square and minus 2z square will get cancelled. Remaining will be having only plus 2z square. Now we can take 2 outside since it is common in all the terms. Remaining will be having x square plus y square plus z square divided by, in denominator you have x square plus y square plus z square the whole square. Now which is equal to, you have the same term with square in the denominator, so you can just cancel. You will be having 2 divided by x square plus y square plus z square, hence root.